These lawyers think they're always right and everyone's wrong. Of course, they're Amber Heard's lawyers. This is obvious whenever they're asking Johnny Depp's witnesses questions and his team would object. Amber's lawyers will continuously fight the judge to allow them to continue what they were saying. Even if it was complete nonsense, they would usually end up asking to approach her to give the foundation. But the judge doesn't bother. Amber's team just gets embarrassed because of this. That's why you have court rulings, to not waste all of our time. Maybe that's the reason why they ran out of time during the rebuttal. They kept presenting unnecessary things they think will help them win, when in reality, it'll make them lose more. This time, they ran out of people to blame. It's the judge they're blaming now because they think she's the reason why Amber Heard didn't win the defamation trial against her ex-husband. Wow, the audacity. They're holding her responsible for this because she didn't allow critical evidence to be presented in court, and they think that certain evidence will help their client win. How are they even sure that that piece of evidence will help Amber in this case? For all we know, it might be another staged and evident piece of proof they would play us with. Elaine Bredehoft went on CBS Mornings to shamelessly talk about this. We learned that Johnny Depp's team was also supposed to be part of this morning talk show, but they declined. They probably don't like to be in the spotlight. Well, they don't need to try. Fans already loved them from the moment they stepped in court. She starts by saying that Johnny's win is a major setback for women inside and outside the courtroom. She suddenly appeals to the audience by saying that Amber had a lot of evidence that was suppressed in court, unlike in the UK trial. She said, "What about the women who don't have evidence? Will we not believe them too?"
But look at all the women who have no evidence. All these women who suffer from domestic violence, domestic abuse, have evidence. And basically what this jury said is unless you pull out your cell phone and you tape record your spouse beating you.
Elaine adds that she believes it's Johnny Depp's fault why we weren't able to see the evidence. She argues that it's because of his celebrity status why he is treated this way. But the host counter by asking, isn't Amber a celebrity too? She thinks it's unfair that during the Sun trial, Johnny got to show all of his evidence and now Amber is restricted from doing so during the Virginia trial. Her lawyers will blame everyone but themselves for losing this trial. The Depp and Heard defamation trial went on for 6 weeks because there were so many pieces of evidence. Proof, witnesses that are backing up the claims of Amber being abused and Johnny being the abuser or the other way around. That's all we have for you right now. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next videos.